So guys, Tom has drilled a hole in there, so we're gonna punch this out. Yeah, hold this, mama. We are beating the French Babylon because they made it so that you can't fix it on purpose. But we're cheating the system. So boys and girls, if you watched one of our recent videos where Tom was showing you how to fix the door handle, he could not pull out this shaft, which basically got rotten in there. So he drilled the hole in there and tapped it out. See, this is how West Coast Customs are gonna lick our goolies soon. Because East Coast Customs is on, baby. Helsham Massive Customs, we're gonna call it. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's come out. Well done, look. There it is. Shall we get a stick or something like that?
I might go bodge his Bentley up. And it breaks for him.
I think you should put it on some solid surface because your hand
things with hammers.
No. What I mean, because your hands bounce.
Yeah. Put it on the table or something.
It's in the out.
Not on the table. No,
it's out now. Look.
Yes, even Mama knows that we're a bunch of bellends, and she speaks the words of wisdom.
Fuck the Babylon.
Exactly. Fuck the Babylon and a po-po. Mum doesn't like po-po and Babylon as well.
Mark's got me in a cult.
Yeah. He only just realised.
Hold that. I'll get the pin out completely. Because the problem is the pin's rusty.
Oh! It's like that song of Bob. Do you listen to Bob Marley?
Just come to break down pressure, rule equality.
No, I don't think English people listen to Bob.
Of course they do.
Before you touch me, let me tell you this.
This is their problem. Because even in 70s, Bob Marley said,
Men and people will fight you down when you see your light.
you know where we are from.
We know where we're going. We know where we're from.
But we live in Babylon.
Hand your hand.
We live in Babylon, y'all. We're going to the fatherland.
Exodus, movement of Ja people.
Don't worry, be happy. No, can you get me some sandpaper?
Yeah.
And this happy see us. All right.
I haven't got. Who are you looking at? I thought you were looking at someone behind me. I thought there was ghosts behind me. Now we're gonna commission. We're all about the commission, like Notorious B.I.G. said.
I don't want any money.
No, you can't be working for free.
Yes, I can.
Exactly. He's only working for free because he wants me to pay him in sexual favors. But I'm not gonna.
No, I really don't.
Actually, in ancient Rome and in ancient Greece,
That's right.
homosexuality was allowed as long as you are in an active position.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But even that, they were the Babylon as well, and they failed. The Greeks failed because they fucked up the Greek. The Romans failed because they fucked up the Greek. And this society is gonna fail because they keep fucking up the Greek. Aye, as well. So now we're cleaning up this shaft, which we just punched out. So I guess so that it's moving more freely because it's all got rusted in. Looks like...
You know, it hasn't cost you anything so far to get that car working.
Yeah, no, this is what our program is about. Everything gets fixed for free. 95% of shit on my BMW is fixed for free. Hence it's all fixed with like screwdrivers and glue and duct tape.
Yeah, but I'm doing it properly.
This is how we run, boys. On a fucking minimum budget, we just invest in duct tape, some nails, some screws, and some motherfucking Gorilla Glue. You wanna be bad? Right, Tom has fixed it, motherfuckers. It's now clicking.
Oh, you want to show him, do you?
Show him how it's clicking. See? Before it was all seized up and rotten.
Fuck the Babylon.
Aye. There's the beast in front of the German and Jamaican flag. USSR flag. is missing. It's scaring too many customers. And this is a fucking beast.
What's
And
going
this
on?
is the owner's beast.
This ain't a beast. This is...
I bet not to 60s quick.
I don't know, mate. My boss is behind decay. That's fucking quick.
Yeah, that's mental. What is it, 800?
Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure.
Oh yes, Thomas. We're gonna have to see flames in a minute. Oh yeah. Go Thomas, thanks a lot bro.